Hi everyone, this is Adonis Anastasiou, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how to add a subscribe button on the right corner of all of your YouTube videos. By doing that, you can easily gain more subscribers. So let me show you how you can do it. So let's see how you add a subscribe button on every video of your YouTube channel. The first thing that you have to do is that you have to log in into your YouTube channel. You can make sure that you're logged in. If you just click here and see your logo, or you see your face, whatever picture you have uploaded, and then you go to your channel. That's the best way to make sure that you're really logged in into the correct YouTube channel. Then you click on YouTube Studio. Here we can do several customizations, and one of them is to add that subscribe button on every video. Okay, then you slide down and you go to settings. Okay, then from settings we click on channel, and then we click on branding. Okay, as you see, I have already added the subscribe button. If I want to remove it, that's how you're going to see it. If this is the first time that you're going to add that button. So I'm going to choose image. I already have it. Make sure it's a square button, and then make sure that you enter it for the entire video. Now, I want to say to you that even if I upload my logo or my face or whatever, the button is still going to work, okay? But if you want to get more subscribers on your YouTube channel, then it's better to add a square button that says they are subscribed. So it's more inviting. So when your subscriber see the button, you're making it more easier for them to subscribe. Of course, you have to make sure that you ask them to subscribe, because when you ask people to subscribe on your YouTube channel, they have a higher inclination to do it. And then you click save. Okay, it's going to take a couple of seconds. As you see, it's working. Setting and save. So now if I go back to my channel, I'm going to see that in all of my YouTube videos, the subscribe button is added, as you can see here. So as you see, if someone is watching the YouTube video, then the subscribe button is going to appear here. They can easily click and subscribe on your YouTube channel. So that's one of the ways that you can get more subscribers. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can get more tips and tricks on how to market your products online through digital marketing, how to increase your sales, and how to improve your business. Thank you for watching.